I mean, sometimes it might come through your windshield. It'll slow him down a lot. He just barely land in your lap, but bitch goddamn jump up there at the right time. That bitch gonna come straight through, boy. Motherfucker ain't no slowing down to it, son. Bitch come straight right in your fucking mouth. Goddamn mosquito, you gonna be going about 75. Goddamn mosquito, I'm like, bird don't shit in your throat. Goddamn bird hit you in the throat. Like, oh damn. Karate chop going 20 miles out of there, boy. Bird's gonna go back to his family like, yeah, boy, I hit this bitch in the goddamn throat with my wing going 75 right in there. You should have seen it. I had a soft landing. I was scared though, because I thought I was gonna get a windshield. This thing, you know, ended up karate chopping this nigga in the throat, took his fucking geos. Took his fucking geo, boy. Karate chopped him in the fucking throat, son. Bitch was going down, got him interstate. Next thing you know, I came across that bitch was like, karate chopped him and threw him out the fucking door and took his fucking geo. Picked up a deer on the way home too, boy. 37 point bucket, man. The biggest motherfucker you ever seen in your life, boy. Bitch had to stick his head through the sunroof. Bitch had to stick his fucking hand out the front window. Bitch had a mosquito hit him in the nose.